Boyle's Law for confined gases. Gases. Having a hard time reading it, boys and girls, but we're going to go with it. Not gases. Gases. States that if the temperature is constant, that's it. I've lost control of this entire situation. PV equals C, where P is the pressure, V is the volume, and C is a constant. Okay, this one's going to get a little wordy, and the units are a little bizarre, and I may not even pronounce it correctly, like gases. In a certain instant, at a certain instant, the volume is 75 cubic inches. Let me just start writing. That might be to my benefit. Volume is 75 cubic inches. The pressure, known as P, is 30 pounds per square inch. Pounds, abbreviated LB for fun. And the pressure is decreasing at a rate, dP dt, negative, because it's decreasing, of 2 pounds per square inch per minute. Okay. Units are confusing, but don't panic. It's not going to be bad. At what rate is the volume changing at this instant? So dV dt is what they're asking. Okay, so let's write the equation. We'll come over here and we'll put, let's put it in blue, just because. We'll put PV equals C, and we'll go ahead and take the derivative. So the derivative of P and the derivative of V, you feeling what I'm feeling? Product rule. We can't avoid it this time. They didn't give us enough information to avoid it. So F prime G plus F G prime, and then the derivative of C, we'll call it dC dt. And let's just keep writing. Now, you've probably already noticed that there's one thing in this that we don't know, but whatever, we'll get to it. So dP dt is -2, V is 75, P is 30, dV dt is that thing we don't know that I put in parentheses that I didn't have to, and dC dt is 0. How do you know? C is a constant. It doesn't change. So C could be anything. Actually, C is P times V, which would be 75 times 30 at this moment, but it would always be 75 times 30, whatever that number is, because the rate of change of C is 0. It doesn't change. So 0. That's it. We can do the rest of this one in our head. 2 times 75 is 150. That comes to this side. 30 dV dt. And we will divide by 30. And dV dt equals 5. Okay, let's put some units on it. It's a little confusing. But volume is measured in cubic inches. And time is measured in minutes. So it's cubic inches per minute, which wasn't super confusing.